Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning we're visiting with Dr. Travis Legleiter. He's with the University of Kentucky as a weed scientist there. Well, I'm glad you're here today because you're going to talk about an upcoming conference right here in Bowling Green that I think it was your first one last year, but it went over really well, and you guys are offering that again.
Yeah. So I want to talk about the Kentucky Crop Health Conference 2024 version of it. So yeah, again, last year was our first year of doing it, and we considered it a pretty massive success. We sold out the venue and had some really good speakers, and we're looking forward to having another great event. And I think we have a great lineup again for this year.
So, the Kentucky Crop Health Conference, who should attend this conference?
It's very focused on pest management. So really anybody within row crop agriculture or grain crop agriculture that deals with pests is invited and more than welcome to this event. So, whether you're a farmer, a crop consultant, or even an industry rep, we're bringing you the latest and greatest information from the University of Kentucky and beyond on pest management within grain crops.
Okay, what are some of the topics that are going to be discussed that day?
Yeah, so this year we're bringing in outside speakers again, as we did last year. So we have three speakers coming from outside. So kind of divide them up by the pest. So we have Tommy Butts from the University of Arkansas. He's the weed scientist that's coming, and he's going to be talking to us about drones and herbicide applications with drones. We know drones are a hot topic, and so I'm really happy to have him coming in to talk about that. On the entomology side, we have Nick Seiter coming in, and he's going to be talking about traits within corn, both above ground and below ground. And then we're bringing in Greg Tylka from Iowa State University to talk about soybean cyst nematode, a perennial problem that we always have, and just trying to keep that at the top of people's minds. And then we have ourselves, right? The usual suspects, right? So you have Kiersten Wise. She's going to be talking about some new diseases in corn. Carl Bradley's going to be talking about red crown rot, another new disease within soybean. Raul Villanueva is going to be talking about entomology, and then myself, I'm going to be talking about some early planted soybeans and how do we control weeds within those situations. So we're covering everything at this conference, and we think it's going to bring a lot of great information.
Absolutely. Now, somebody's watching and they say, I want to attend. You mentioned that you sold out, so space is limited and people do need to register, pre register.
Yes. So you do have to pre-register. You have to buy a ticket to get to the event. So last year we did sell out. We have expanded this year. We have 150 seats available, but they are going very quickly. So if you want to register, the best way to do that is if you go to the University of Kentucky Weed Science website and click on events, you'll see Kentucky Crop Health Conference. Click register, and that's going to take you to the Eventbrite site. So it is on Eventbrite. So you can also go to Eventbrite and look up Kentucky Crop Health Conference. We also have a QR code that you can scan. And if all of that fails, feel free to call your county agent and they can help you out with getting registered. So make sure you get registered, and registration does close on February 1st. So make sure you get registered for that.
Okay. And there is a fee to attend, but the fee covers lunch and all the speakers and the materials that day, correct?
Yes, there is a fee. It is $80 to attend. But again, that does cover, we're going to have you there all day. So we start at 9:30, doors open at 8:30. You're going to be there all day. We're going to give you breakfast. We're going to give you lunch. We're going to give you snacks. And then you're going to get all the information you need. And also we do have credits as well. So we have both Kentucky and Tennessee credits available this year. So you'll get those as well. We hope you come for the information, but you get the pesticide credits as well.
Absolutely. And so a great conference, February the 8th, correct? I
Yes,
don't know if we
yes.
mentioned the date. So Travis,
Yes,
give us the dates and times and where to go register one more.
yes. So it's February 8th, and it's going to be in Bowling Green at the National Corvette Museum. So we're going back there again. We're really excited to be back at that venue. So doors open at 8:30. The event starts at 9:30. So again, we will have breakfast for you. So you don't have to be there right at 8:30, but sometime between 8:30 and 9:30, get some breakfast, get registered, and then we'll get started at 9:30 and we'll have you there. We'll should wrap up around 5 o'clock. So it is a full day event. So again, that is February 8th. And if you want to register, the best way to do that is go to University of Kentucky Weed Science website, click on events, and you'll see Crop Health Conference there.
Well, if you have any questions about the Kentucky Crop Health Conference, make sure to contact your local extension office. Thanks for watching and have a great day.